Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we go, departing on our wonderful adventure. We have Mommy wearing a bonnet. We have Ava.
Bonnet.
It's
We have
almost
Emery.
Easter, you're wearing your bonnet.
Emery, be careful up there.
Emery.
We got Mom, she's wearing her bonnet too. We got Julie.
Bon voyage.
Julie,
Bon voyage.
and we got Dad up in here.
Whatever
Grayson
that
and Graham.
Rock around on one midnight. She's gonna rock talks on Saturday night. She's
You're
gonna
gonna
rock,
need
she's
to
gonna
get
rock.
one for South Club or for baseball.
Hi guys. Camping.
Come on, bud.
All right, here we are.
Go!
Come on, big guy.
We just docked at the side. We can look how close we got. We're just about right on the beach.
Brother.
With the boat.
You don't have to, I'll lift
Look
you.
at the sky. Look at our campground area. Woo, doggy. And we even got Dan. Dan showed up. Look here. Hey, Dan. Ah! I mean, hey, but turn around for a minute. Say hi. Here we are at North Captiva. All right, everybody wave. Say hello. Baseball here. Playing with a stick.
Hey, Emery Kate, you having a good time camping?
More turkey jerky, please.
Graham, look at Daddy. What do you need? More turkey jerky?
More turkey jerky, please.
All right, Ava. And we got Graham Nagy, we got Grayson Medico, we got Emery Nagy, we got Ava Medico, and we got Graham out here. Hey, Graham, what you doing, buddy? You're looking
You have
outside?
a nice butt.
Ah, look at that booty. Look at that
I thought
booty.
you were a mom. Let's go to deep sea adventure with you and you and you. No!
All right, deep sea adventure.
Deep sea adventure. Nice butt.
I don't even know where it is. I think it's lost. There's no more Corona?
The big white one.
Hi, honey.
Manny.
Cheers.
Tent's up, full moon. Sun's going down over there, full moon coming up over there.
All right.
Is Emery still in the tent? I have to cut the line.
Hold on. What are you doing, buddy? You having an awesome time? You having fun? Uh-oh. Whoa. Whoa! Those are some big waves, buddy. Whoa, here it comes! Catch it, buddy, surf it! Wow! Oh, there comes another big one! RC pick.
You have to come swim with me.
Go, buddy, go in the water, go!
You come with me.
Go! Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Oh, this is fun. Hey, Graham, this is fun, huh? Yay! Another running contest. Emery's running up to meet everybody else. Look how beautiful that sunset is. Here comes the gang running down the beach. It's a race. Come on, guys. All the way past me. Go, Grayson. Go, Abe. Go, all right. Look at them. They're all running. Even Abe, Emery, Kate's running. Keep going, Graham. Go, Brent. Whoa, go, Em. Go, Em. Graham, come on, buddy. Run.
Wow! Whoa! Go, go, go! Come on, buddy, go! Run, 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 run! Yes!
I got the orange green
great boy.
What are we doing?
Hey guys, we're out on North Captiva having a fire at our private campground. Mandy's doing some marshmallow roasting.
Kids look like they're sleeping.
Absolutely beautiful.
Kids are finally sleeping, yeah.
And it is awesome out here.
Nice fire going.
This is like Castaway.
It is. It's amazing.
Where's Wilson?
Yeah, where's Wilson? Hello, Crab. What's going on, Crab? Little creatures out here.
Really?
Hi.
You having fun?
Of course.
Your little toesies are down there too.
I have a picture of that anchor that was on the sand.
Oh.
Ta-da!
Sam, good morning.
So, Grampy, what you want to do with
I want to go away from the rain.
You want to go where?
Little tiny bird.
You saw little tiny birds?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Good morning, little girl.
Where'd Mama go?
She's over by her tent.
My morning jog. My morning jog.
On our morning jog. Everybody's eating peanuts for breakfast, or some kind of mixed nut. What is it?
Your fingers. A crab.
Oh, look.
See
It's
him
a
inside
hermit
there?
crab. He's inside another shell.
Oh look, he's gonna move. Watch.
Oh, he's so cute.
Cool. Look at his little eyes, man. It's so cool.
Yeah.
You might eat the urchin.
Be careful, buddy. You're gonna get your.
I was over there.
What were you doing over there? Nature boy.
Walking around.
Okay. What are you doing?
Kicking some bacon.
Oh, she's cooking some bacon. Hey, Graham, what's your mommy doing?
Picking some bacon.
Oh, nice. All right.
So what's going on here, buddy? What are you eating?
Slow cook on the eggs while the bacon was.
Bagel.
All right. How you doing, baby girl? What are you eating, honey?
And that
That, ladies and gentlemen, is called a sand bagel. It's a sand bagel. Right, mommy?
Sand bagel.
Hey, mama. How's it
Hey,
going?
honey. No, 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 no touch.
You're doing a great job with those eggies.
Be outside.
Hey, Brent, after all that hard labor, it feels good in here.
Oh, yeah. Hey, guys. Hey, look up at Uncle Brent real quick and tell me what you guys are doing. What are you doing, buddy? You making mud?
So we're getting mud and putting water in it and making fun things for Mother Nature. And
Awesome.
putting it in the water and it floats to Mother Nature.
Oh, that is so great.
Playing before we're getting ready to go. You see how close we are to the boat. Simple walk right up to the ladder. And we on the boat.